In this video, let us see some formatting. So in the previous video, we have seen this, how we declare this h1 and how we declare this paragraph. Let's see now h2. It says h2. Here I'll give the font family, style is equal to font family. It should be in quotes. Let's say it is Arial. Is declared h3. There is h3. Similarly, let me copy this, paste. I make this h4, and this is line h4. This 5, 5, 6. Here also it is h6. This is the paragraph. Let us see. Execute. I save this. Save. File. View in browser. Heading 1. This is heading 2. Heading 3. This is h4, h5, h. So heading 1 is the biggest, and heading 6 the smallest, and this is the paragraph. Let us close this, go back to the code, and here paragraph ignores the spaces. So we take the key down. So this one is line 1. This is line 1. Here let me give a lot of space here, and there is a lot of space and between this is and line 1, and again I say this is, let me give a lot of space again, line 2. So paragraph, this ignores the spaces. Let us execute this or view in the browser. So this is line 1 and this is line 2. Here it totally ignored this space and it ignored this line break too. So you got this is line 1 and this is line 2. That space has been ignored and line break has also been ignored. So now let us define this as P. I say this is line 1, give the same space here, and here I say break is BR. So I'm giving a line break here, and here this is line 2. Now let us execute this part. File, view in browser. Now here you can see this is line 1. It ignored the space, this because the paragraph ignores space, but because of the BR tag we got this one in line 2. Now if I use pre, we can eliminate those issues. So if I say pre and slash pre and Now this is the space line 1, and in the next line if I say this is line 2, here I am not using the BR tag. This here giving line 2. Now let us view this in browser. Here you can see this pre didn't ignore this space, so it has carried that space. This is line 1, and it has given a line break too. This is line 2. So if you want to write exactly the same characters including the space as it is and the line breaks, then we should use PRE instead of P for the paragraph. Then you will get exactly the whatever you have written there in between the tags. Now let us delete this and see some more formatting. Q denotes underline. Underline. Q denotes double quotes. Subscript is SUB, H2O, and superscript is SUP, first. Let's save it and let's view it in. So we have underline, double quotes, H2O, and first. So we used U for underline, Q for double quotes, sub for subscript, and SUP for superscript. Let us see some more formatting. I delete this. SMALL is small text. And then we can use a delete and insert. AB is there. I want to delete C and then insert C. So delete and insert can be basically you can strike off a letter in a string and then add one more letter. Editing basically it's an editing, and then abbreviation ABBR TITLE is equal to hypertext markup language. Abbreviation would be HTML file. So this is a small text you can see, and after A, B, D has been struck off and we have inserted C. Because we have inserted it, it is showing it as with an underline. So this is for delete and insert. And hypertext markup language, if you take the cursor there onto HTML, you will get the abbreviation for hypertext markup language is HTML. Now let us see block quote and address tags. Delete this, and this block quote you can cite a particular location from where we have taken this words or this sentence. And address, you can give a name and then the location inside the address tag. So I do in browser, we got this Python interview questions and name ABC, location 10 downtown, some address. You can give whatever address you want inside this address element. And this is Python interview questions is the sentence we have picked up from the site we have mentioned here, http this link. So we have cited inside this block code from where this has been picked up.